Hi, I'm Sabrina and welcome to today's mockup session. We will design a matching set. It was inspired by a historic corset cover and also historic underwear. And this time will be a premiere for me because I will draft my own shorts pattern. I never drafted a trouser pattern before and I fear that I have to redo it because the first version won't be perfect, what's absolutely normal because I have no clue about making trouser patterns. I'm more an expert in dress patterns or blouses, tops, and I'm very excited to take you with me during this process. If you would like to see more videos of that kind, please leave me a comment, and if you want to stay a bit longer on my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm so happy to see that all of you are interested in bringing historic fashion into today, and I hope I can inspire you with my videos in the future. And now let's start doing the mock-up. So for this top, we need to measure the widest part of our upper body. For me, it's my bust, and yeah, you need the bust line. And the bust line we are going to divide by 2. In my case, I end up with nearly 44 centimeters. So bust line divided by 2. And then we need to add up 5 centimeters for the tuck darts. So in my case, that's 44 centimeters and 5 centimeters for the tuck darts. It's 49 centimeters, but there we are going to add some centimeters for the button cover. I'm going to add 3 centimeters for the button cover. I think it will work, and then we will end up with 42 centimeters. And now we have to find out our length. I will make it a bit shorter, so I will take 45 centimeters in length. For the straps, I simply measured a top I already have, and it's also 45 centimeters. Maybe in your size it's a bit shorter or longer. The length will be 45 centimeters and the height is 6 centimeters because the straps are a bit bigger. And for the shorts, I simply will take the length, and in my case that's 40 centimeters from my waistline to my leg area where I want the shorts to end. Yeah, and that's it for the project. You will have to create your own trouser pattern. Maybe I can publish a video about it, but right now it's my first pattern and I'm not sure if they will end up so well. But let's see, I will add it to the video if they are going to look alright. Because, like I said, trousers are my specialty and I want to work a bit on that. sitting here next to my mockups, and the first thing I finished yesterday evening was these shorts, and I must say these are my first self-drafted shorts I did, and I don't like them. They're quite too voluminous at the leg part. I added too much volume to the leg, and I need to reduce that. Otherwise it looks a bit strange. And also something that looks strange is this crotch part here. I definitely need to work on that, and soon I will mock up for the shorts. Then the top, I'm quite happy with it, but I need to adjust the straps. First I thought I would go for a wider strap, but that looks a bit old-fashioned and I don't want to go with this vibe. That's why I thought that I go for a smaller version. It's looking a bit more modern, I think. These cord will go inside once it's in the original fabric. I sewed this one out of cotton, but it's too stiff, and just for my mock-up I will sew the original out of viscose. It's a bit lighter and it will fall a bit differently. Nonetheless, I'm pleased with the result, but I need to work on these shorts. So that was all for today. If you want to get regular updates about my projects, please subscribe to my Instagram channel and leave a comment down below. In one of my following videos I will sew the set, and I'm very happy to share my inspirations with you, and see you in my next project. Bye!